Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to make your inventory items privated on your Steam Deck account, so people on your friends list can't see what you're getting from your games. So we want to go up to our profile and select A on this. Go down to privacy settings, profile, games, inventory, etc. Now scroll on down under here, use the touchpad and just scroll down. And then use the trackpad, and we can go on over to where it says inventory and make this what we want. It says your inventory includes the items you received in-game that use Steam trading. It also includes any Steam trading cards you've collected and extra copies of Steam gifts. Then we can check mark right here. Always keep Steam gifts private even if the user can see my inventory. So we got that as an option, so we just want to right click on this. We got public, friends only, or private. And then we can lock that down on our profile. And then they shouldn't be able to see that when we're getting items unlocked. But hopefully this video did indeed help you guys out. Did leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.